Hi guys and girls, welcome friends. In this segment today, 177 divided by 177, which equals 1, and 177 divided by 177 equals 1. Now we have this problem, 1 divided by 1, which equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, we must do this division, then this division, and at last this division. So we have first this division, 177 divided by 177 equals 1. So we have 1 divided by 177 divided by 177, and we can write this part as 1 over 177 divided by 177. So we must keep the first fraction 1 over 177 and change division to multiplication times, then flip the second fraction 1 over 177, which equals 1 over 31,329. And this is our final answer for this problem. Hit like and subscribe to stay updated on new videos.